Welcome to all. In this presentation, we are going to solve some questions on the basis of the concept which we have learnt in the previous presentation. In the previous presentation, we have gone through the formulas how to get the slope of a line if the points are given or if the angle is given, which is made with the positive x-axis direction. Then let us solve the question of exercise 10.1. Some question from 1 to 5, it is based on the questions which is based on the concept which we have learnt in class 10th. I hope you are able to solve that questions. Then let us solve the questions of class 11th. Question number 5 here we have. And the question is, find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining point P and Q, or it may be B. Then the question is clear. We have to find the slope of a line, and that line passes through the origin, and means one point is origin, means the coordinate we know 0 0, and the second coordinate we needed for finding the slope, and that we are getting from the midpoint of the line segment joining the point, the given 2 point, having coordinate 0 -4 8 0. Then let us find the point first. We know how to get the midpoint of the line segment. Then on adding the x coordinate and dividing that value by 2 and adding y coordinate and dividing that value by 2, we are getting the midpoint as 4 -2. Now the 2 points we have 0 0, and the second one we have 4 -2. And if we have these 2 points, then we are able to find the slope by using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. If you are taking the coordinate as x1 y1 x2 y2, then let us put the values, and if you are putting the value, then slope we are getting as -2 minus 0 upon 4 minus 0, and on solving we are getting -2 upon 4. Then we are getting -1 by 2 as the slope, and this is the required slope of the line. Here I am solving the 8th question. And question number 8, find the value of x for which the point x -1, 2, 1 and 4, 5. These 3 points are collinear, means lie on a straight line. And if these 3 points I am taking as A, B, C, then what I am observing here, the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, because these two lines are parallel. The angle between these two is 0 degree. It means that the slope between AB is equal to slope of BC. And if the points are collinear, this is given to you, we have to use this concept. The slope of the first 2 point is equal to the slope of next 2 point. Then let us use this concept and put the values. Then the coordinate I am taking as A, B, C, the given coordinate. Then the concept I am taking here, the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Then if I am using the concept as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and on putting these values, what we are getting, 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus x is equal to 4 by 2. Then on solving this, we are getting 2 upon 2 minus x is equal to 2. Then on solving we are getting 4 minus 2x, then the value of x we are getting as 1. Then this is the required value of x. The next question we have, question number 12, and question is, a line passes through x1 y1 and hk. The two coordinates are given to you. Easily we are able to take the slope if the 2 points are given, and if slope of a line is m and that slope is given to you m, it means that m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, the same concept here we are using. And if you are using this, then this is the required slope, and according to the question this value is equal to small m. And if you are keeping this value, then on solving we are getting the equation as reduced equation as if we are getting the reduced equation as k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. Just we are using the concept of slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and on putting the value and on just multiplying on the other side we are getting the required equation. Let us solve the next question. Here the question number 13 we have, if 3 points, these points are given as 0 a b 0 k, lie on a line, the same concept of collinearity. These 3 points are collinear, and this is given to you. If these 3 points are collinear, then you have to show this a upon h plus b upon k is equal to 1. Then let us use the same concept here. If the points you are taking as a b c, then the slope of ab is equal to slope of bc. The concept we are getting, if I am considering the coordinate as a b c, then the values I am getting here, b minus 0 upon a minus h is equal to k minus b upon 0 minus a. Then on simplifying this, we are getting b upon a minus h is equal to k minus b upon minus a. On cross multiplying, we are getting minus ab is equal to the product of k minus b and a minus h. And on solving, we are getting this ka plus bh is equal to kh. What we are observing in the question, we have to prove that that value is equal to 1. It means that if I am dividing all the values, these three values, by kh, then what I am getting, these get cancel out and we are getting 1 here. Here also h get cancel out, and here k get cancel out, and the required solution we have a upon h plus b upon k equal to 1. And on the basis of this presentation, you have to solve the questions, all the questions of exercise 10.1. Sai Ram to